Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you fine. We start the exercise 8B. Your topic is Introduction to Algebra. Exercise 8D, question number 1, first, second, and third part, plus question number 2 and 3. Question number 1 is if x will be equal to -3 and y will be equal to 5 and z equal to 2, -2, evaluate the following. First part, x plus y negative z means that we put the values of x, y, z, simplify these values, we get the answer. Right here solution, x plus y negative z, putting the values of x, y, z, but the values of x is equal to -3. There is a no sign, so as it is right here, plus y will be equal to 5, so we write here plus 5. Negative z, and z value is -2, right in the bracket form, because this negative is multiply. Further we solve -3 plus 5, open the bracket, negative positive, so write here positive. Further will be equal to -3, both values same sign, so we add this value. 2 plus 5 is a 7, so write here 7. Further we solve, 7 is a plus sign, is negative is 3, we simplify these values, आंसर कम इन पॉजिटिव. स्टूडेंट बड़ी वैल्यूज़ के साथ जो साइन आएगा वही आंसर होगा. 7 - 3 आंसर इज आ 4. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज आ 2x -3y plus z. We write here solution. First we as it is write, we put the values of x plus putting the values of x, y, z. Further we write here equality sign, put the equality sign. 2 into -3, it the values of x, -3 into, this is a 5 is the values of y, plus, but the values of z is -2, right in the bracket form. Plus minus 2 3s are 6, there is no sign, means that these 2 and 3 is multiply. Plus minus 3 5s are 15, again plus minus 2. Further we solve these both values, because there is same sign. In addition and subtraction is same sign, we add these values. -6 and -15 is -21, and this -2 as it is right. And further we solve both values, same sign, so we add these values. Negative positive, but we put the sign as -21 and 2 is 23. It is our answer. Third part is x का square negative yz divided by x का square, sorry, z का square. We write here solution. First we as it is right, put the values of the x, y, z, where the values of x is -3, right in bracket, and put here square sign, square negative, but the values of z, if we first we write the x and z, no issue, because there is a multiply. Put the values of z is -2, bracket close. Put the values of x, y is 5, so write here 5, divided by z square. Put the values of z is -2, bracket close, and this is a square. Square means that this square is equal to, this square means we write 2 times -3 and -3. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, 3 3s are 9. जब आपके पास स्केयर हो, स्केयर में जब आप अंदर वैल्यूज नेगेटिव हो, तो ये स्केयर इस रीज़न की बेस पे, स्केयर मीन वी राइट 2 times, we multiply. Negative is positive, 3 3s are 9, so we write here 9. Negative minus plus, 2 5s are 10, there is no sign, means that we multiply these values. 10 divided by, as it is -2 squares, mean we write here 2 times -2 into -2. Negative positive, 2 2s are 4, so write here 4. Both is same sign, so we add this value. 9 plus 10 is 19 divided by 4. It is our answer. Question number 2. If a is equal to 4, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 25, evaluate this given equation. b का square minus 4ac. Write here solution. Given that means given the equation is b का square minus 4ac. Putting the values of a, b, c, and then we simplify. We put here equality sign. Values of b is 9, write in bracket form, and put here square -4, and values of a is a 4 into value of c is a 25. 9 square means we write like this. 9 square mean we write 2 times 9.9. 9 nines are 81. Negative 4 fours are 16 and 25. Again we multiply this value right here. 6 fives are 35 right here. 0 3 is carry. 3 6 twos are 12 or plus 3 is 15. Put here multiply sign. 5 ones are 5. 1 twos are 2. We add this value. In multiplication case 0, there is no values as it is right. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write here 0. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Means that we multiply 25 multiplied by 16. Answer is 400. We write here 400. Further we solve this value. Greater value is 400. If sign is negative 3, negative answer come in negative form, so put here negative. We simplify this value. 400 subtract 81. There is 0. There is 0. We take a borrow from 4. It will become 10. Again we take a borrow from this. Remaining is 9. It will become 10. There is taking a borrow 1. It will become 3. 10 subtract 1 is 9. 9 subtract 8 is 1. There is 3. So 3 as it is right. Mean that we simplify this value. Answer is 319. Negative 319 it is our answer. Question number 3 is last question for exercise 8D. Evaluate -1 square bracket -1 curly bracket -1 small bracket -1 plus x bar bracket close curly bracket close and square bracket also close when x is equal to 1. Means that we put the values of x. X is a 1. First we solve the bar. Only change the in both between sign is x plus in change in negative. So right here solution. First we as it is right, you know that x is equal to 1. Further we solve first -1 as it is right, square bracket as it is right. We solve the bar. Only change the sign of between these values. -1 1 -1 minus, this is a plus sign change in negative, so negative x bracket close square bracket curly and square bracket also close. Further we as it is right, but we have to these plus and negative is opposite sign, same value, so cancel this. Remaining is -1. This is as it is right, -1 in negative small bracket, -1 small bracket close curly bracket close and square bracket close. Further we open this solve this small bracket. What we have to, this is value as it is right, negative positive 1 plus 1 curly bracket close and square bracket also close. Further we solve, this is as it is right, 1 plus 1 is 2. You know that student. First we solve the bar, second in small bracket, and further we solve curly bracket, and last one is the square bracket. We solve this. Also student look at here. First we solve the bar and second we solve the small bracket, and further we solve the curly bracket. 1 plus 1 is 2. But we have do -1 as it is right, square bracket -1 open the bracket plus minus 2 square bracket is closed. Again simplify. 1 minus 2 answer is -1. We write here -1 open the bracket. This negative is negative multiply negative positive. 1 plus 1 is 2. Means that we simplify this equation. Answer is 2. I hope you all of you understand. Allah Hafiz and take care.